I'm here at the Nankang Exhibition Center, which is Taipei's largest venue for trade fairs and exhibitions. Every week, there are huge shows here from industries of all kinds. I promise I will tell you more about Tainex's busy schedule in a future video. But today, I wanted to show you the Aerospace and Defense Technology exhibition, which should be pretty interesting. So let's go have a look. Wow, that was pretty crazy. Hope you enjoyed the ride. Me, I met some interesting companies and I'll tell you more about them as soon as I can. If you want to know more about the Expo, I'll leave a couple of links below. And if you happen to work in these industries or want to do business with them, why don't you try to come next year? I'm sure the 2026 Expo is going to be worth it. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate your support. See you on the next one.